In front of me I've got Motorola One Macro, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So firstly you will have to activate developer options. To enable them you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select system, go to the about phone, and now locate build number. Once you see it, you have to click on it 7 times. Now enter your pattern if you have one, and that's it. Developer options has been activated, so let's go back. You will find them right here. Now you have to open developer options, and now just look for the demo mode. It will be included in those options right here, system demo mode, mark it, and if you'd like to enable this feature, tap here on enable demo mode. Then you can also show demo mode if you want to. It's up to you, as you can see the difference right here. And now you can use your device in demo mode. Whenever you would like to turn it off, you just have to open the developer options again, find this feature, and now turn it off just by tapping on the same switcher. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.